Want to see which of your competitors' videos still pull in thousands of views every day, months after release, so you can replicate their evergreen success? Everyday Views lets you see exactly which videos perform, so you can generate consistent views. No more roller coaster stats. With these evergreen videos, your channel will keep getting views, even if you stop publishing for several months. It's simple. Add competitor channels to track. Every day, our bot visits these channels at the same time and collects all the stats from each video. After 48 hours, you'll be able to see precise stats and know exactly how many views each video is getting. With our advanced filters, you can sort by publication date, video length, shorts versus regular content, and even by keywords. For every video, you'll also get the complete day-by-day view history, helping you spot the best evergreen video ideas to replicate. Stop making videos at random and hoping for traffic. With Everyday Views, you know exactly the view potential of a search term or a topic. This gives you a huge time advantage and helps you stay ahead of your competitors.